All right. All right. So today is September 23rd, 2024. Um, we are in Q. I don't know. Q something. Last part of Q3, right? Almost. October, November, December. Yeah. September's the last part of Q3. All right. So I had a level with. I don't know why I didn't mark this. Probably would have been a good area to mark. I'm gonna look into this error here. All right. So I had a level because that's where selling starts again. So I'm gonna have to respect that. At a level on ES where we bounce off of demand. So this is my demand area. This is a trade I took yesterday from, I took it at around this area here. Took it about for about this high, I believe. And then price went a little bit higher, which I wish I was able to catch this extra move up, which I thought we'd get. And price came back down to that same area, but more so this candle, highest volume before midday, and we came back and retested the highest volume. If you go into the 5 minute, you notice that we had a nice high volume candle within that 30-minute candle, and then from there price bounce. So let me try to pull that up real quickly recap. We're looking at this candle here at 11:30. So we had a nice strong volume candle here, but the volume started right here at the 11:30 mark. So we came down to it and price reversed. So if we create our line here, we have price coming down to it. This looked like it was going to be good, right? This was the first part here, but then it went to where price initially started buying all over again. Price came down and we bought up. Right, buying wanted to start here, sell, and then buying started here, and then we bought the price back up. This is a very good case scenario for me to recall. Let me take a screenshot of that and I can just save it myself. Let me a screenshot for myself. So that way I know what a good level looks like and things to look for, especially for midday, because I've seen these before. Price had a nice selling into it and then we just bought right up. This is 35, so price started buying at the change. We closed right at the level right here. If you look at the 5 minute right here, we closed right at it. This is the 30 minute. We closed right at that level on the 30 minute, and then price went a little bit lower, dipped, and then pushed up higher, which is what we want to see. All right. So just being a little patient. Midday bounce. I think that's good for my screenshot. Let me save it. Midday bounce review. I'll put it in my intraday. Midday bounce. All right. So so we had this nice bounce here. Price came to a high area here, which is this, which I need to mark, and sold off. If we go to NQ, you see that we came to a nice level that I had up here. Selling started here, but price didn't respect it too much. It went a little bit higher, where selling started again right here. And from there, we had a dump down towards where buying, I guess, started over here. Let's see if that even has anything in there. I don't really follow NQ like that, but let's see if we can find similarities with NQ for that area. So we have buying here, strong buying, So it came shy, and then we have a very strong buying here. So it came down to this one here. All right. So I guess NQ was the strongest one. So it came down to the highest one where it was, and ES went to the lowest one. So something for me to remember. On the strongest one would likely reach the highest point, and the weakest one would probably reach the lowest point, more or less. 30. Yeah, this is where ES bounced off. Then we had a pause. Then we had a reset of buying. ES had a consistent buying, so we had two buying here, and Q did it. So maybe that could be the other thing where we had the pause here, and we had to reset. So, and Q came to that same area, pause, and then reversed. And then we had the buying at this level here, where I think ES came a little early, around 35. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up my levels for the day. I'm going to go over the pre-market levels and just clear some stuff up that I can. I'm going to keep these highs. I said I wanted to fix something on ES, which was this here where selling started. I didn't too much like that one because it was a red candle. That's why. Red candle with red volume. So, but we are respecting it. I prefer that we sell from, actually we have nowhere else to sell. I don't have any volume up here. This is all-time highs. Alright, let me get rid of these. We really don't have anything up here, only the all-time high. So the red candle with red volume, I'm gonna look into that one because I don't have any. Oh, those are marked because of NQ. That's marked because of NQ. That's why it's like that. I don't have boxes over them. I'll respect that. Alright, so we have this. Boom. This is where we came in. Let's go into the 5-minute real quickly and see what we can find inside of that. 30-minute. So this is 15. So 15, 30. So we got a true selling right here at the end, but we cleared it. Then we had selling again right here. Alright, so I'll mark this one, but we cleared it. It's bothering me with that. Okay, I'll mark this one here. Like that one. We cleared them all. It's just a basic area. Yeah, we cleared them all. So just a basic general area. I'll leave it because I mean we do have some selling, but we cleared it here. We had this selling here. We cleared it. And then we sold off. What does a 1 minute look like? I don't think I have anything here. I don't think I have selling up here at all. Yeah, I don't have any selling up here for me to even trust this. So this is gonna be an interesting area. Selling. It's selling here. Cleared it. Selling here is that big long candle. So I guess that's the only one that we can say. This is the only one right here. clear that. So that right there. All right, that's basically it. If we get above that, then screwed. Because we do have selling here, but on the 1 minute, it's just on the 5 minute, it's just too freaking huge. So we're gonna have to respect that. It's very huge on the 5 minute. All right, so that's kind of like where we are. We're in this weird thing that's going on here. I don't really have anything. I may be waiting. I'm not gonna use this as a buying because we have all of this and it's just strange. But I can't really ignore that it's a green candle. Green volume with red candle. All right, let's see where there's volume that popped up. And right there at the 30. Crap. Both of them have a red candle with green volume. This area might actually be very important. We are above it. Alright, so I'm going to mark this area. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to mark this area. This one here. Okay. So, bear with me as I figure this out, as I troubleshoot. But they all have the that's going on here. This is where we at with that. Okay. Hmm. I'm really liking this like that. I'm gonna take a gamble with this one. Okay, all right. So now let's look into those areas. So let's look what's going on in this. gonna have to reset this. We got 20, 30, 37 minutes until the market opens. I can pick it up a bit. Let's pin this for now. Okay, we're looking for buying within that range. I have none. I'm gonna delete it. Doesn't matter. It's weak. I have none. No buying. No buying whatsoever. None. No buying. Gonna delete that. There's no buying up down here. Well, that sucks. But it all showed volume. It's a shell. In Q. Not really gonna trust this. No buying. Also. Crap, and I deleted that already. Oh no, it wasn't too much. I can actually just go back to this, because it was this right here. Okay, so even though we had something there, I am not going to I prefer to not even take a trade than to force a trade. It's only one, right? Okay. I prefer just let it go. I play the extremes here. We did sell up here, so this is still in conjunction of potential selling. I'm okay with that. Looking for selling up here for ES. Looking for buying up here for NQ. I'm looking for buying down here for VIX. Essentially, I think I'm done. We do have a nice thing going on here. Something. I feel like this is straighter this way. No, this is actually worse. Alright, what does it look like on the 5 minute? Not bad, could be better. I definitely gotta restart this. Thing is really acting slow. Might be because I'm using the OBS. Oh, that looks much smoother. I'm essentially done. That looks smoother too. Alright, so we're gonna keep that like that. So we're looking for a rejection inside of this area here. Same thing for NQ. Very nice hold at this level. As you can see, price held it and then reversed. I don't even know we got volume there on the. Let's see if we got any volume. We have sell, buy, sell, buy. We have strong, buy, sell, sell, buy, no movement, sell, no movement, strong sell on this candle right here. Market opens and then the selling just ramps up, and we would have to use 30 minutes to draw our I don't even know how I feel about that. This is 03. Yeah, I guess. Stop loss down here. 47. Yeah, about a 20 point stop loss. Okay. Alright, so essentially I'm done. I did my levels. Let me look at my thing here. Oh, I gotta do my highs and my lows. I do my highs and my lows. We're still trading just 75 max loss risk. So we're trading 1 to 2 micros. So we're risking about anywhere between 5 to 7.5 points per trade. Working on getting it down to 6 or 4. We'll find the highs and lows from the prior day. We are essentially above and below them. All right, cool. Something I wanted to do. Let's go into the week. Go to default. The weekly area. 5,800. The day. No volume. Go into the minute. This is where we're at. Yep. My levels there. Definitely have buying here. respected that area quite a bit, right? Respected it, respected it, respected it. All right, I'm done. I don't think mentally I can take anymore. I'm done setting up, and I'm gonna log off. We have 25 minutes before the market opens. Calling it here. All right, so that's it for me. Got my level set. I can close this out. I'll be trading around with this and just waiting for my levels to be touched. So